Damn. Talk about weather change. It was literally not even like 20 minutes ago that it was very hot as fuck. Well, this is part 2 of the dishwasher vlog. So yeah, it was very fucking hot skating down to the light rail station, and shit, like it's not even like sunny out no more. I highly doubt you guys can see, but it's like very cloudy. It looks like it's gonna rain. But I guess that's Colorado's weather for you, you know, especially in Denver. It'll be sunny, then rainy. Shoot, sometimes it'll be snowing and then raining and then sunny. It's just, the weather in Colorado is very bipolar. But who knows, maybe if it rains, it'll make the day a little slower. I don't want it to be slower, but you know, it's money. I wash dishes. What I do know is that, like, yeah, it's Monday, my cousin's not working today,
This
so
is the 10th and Osage station.
you guys will probably be seeing Sandra,
To transfer to all other lines,
the other,
destined to Union
well,
Station.
yeah, it's another baker, but female baker. I think my cousin Anthony's the only male baker, but still. Yeah, it's very gloomy and dark and just ugly out right now. It was nice, like it really was. It was sunny, I was skating. You guys seen it. But now it's just all dark and
This is the
gloomy.
D line to 30th and Downing. Stand clear. The doors are closing.
Like, it's just so dark. Look at that, clouds just rolling on in. Like, son of a bitch. I like the rain. The rain's nice. It's like, it's water for our ground. But, I can't skate in the rain, so it's unfortunate. Colorado is a nice place. Like, yeah, there may be a lot of people moving from out of state here, but it's a nice place. I love it. I highly doubt that I'll move away from it, but whoa. I highly doubt y'all seen that lightning. That was some badass lightning. Oh, goodness gracious. It looks just so ugly out. It's nice though.
This is the Colfax Auraria station. Please do not block the doors, and kindly move to the center of the train to make room for boarding passengers. Next stop, Theater District Convention Center.
Okay, now I can talk. But those wheels, man, they're good wheels. I like using longboard wheels on a skateboard other than an actual skateboard, like skateboarding, like wheels that are supposed to go on the skateboard. Because with longboard wheels, you can go over cracks and rocks and shit. Oh. Oh. Damn. My hair is just everywhere today.
This is the D line to
honestly, if it doesn't rain, it'll be a nice day still. Like, yeah. I hope everyone's having a great Monday. Because, yeah, I know Garfield doesn't like Mondays, but still. I guess that's something me and Garfield have in common. Whoa! It just started raining out of nowhere. And hailing. Are you guys looking at this? Yeah. This didn't just happen a second ago. Holy fuck. Dude, it was just sunny earlier. Oh my god. Dude, this is really crazy. I'm sorry if like when the thing was close to the screen, like if it was like messing up or like you just couldn't see anything. I don't know, can you see anything? Let me know in the comments. Dude, literally, it was not... God, it just started out of nowhere. Like I said, that's Colorado's weather for you. I'm gonna have to be running to work when I get out of this light rail. Oh God. Can you hear it? Like, hail is falling hard. Can you see it? Damn. Big blue bear, baby. Big blue bear. I am just glad I fucking made it to work. Wow. Fuck, June 13th. Weather was crazy, I guess, today. Like, you guys seen, I skated to work practically. It was sunny as hell. And
California Station. Please be sure you have all your personal belongings. Thank you for riding RTA Lightweight.
I know you hear this. I know you guys hear this. Are you ready?
Center and just like oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh, are you serious? It was not like this when I skated here. It was sunny as fuck. Oh! Dude, what's up, bro?
How you doing?
Just freaking going crazy. Like, I skated here to the Alameda station. It just got dim. And then right when we got out of the convention center, whoosh! Oh! Doing good, man. Yeah, I gotta go to work, man. I got like a good amount of time. How you been?
Been alright.
Yeah.
Trying to stay out of trouble.
Yeah? That's all we can do is try, man.
Follows me though.
Have you seen anybody from like back in the day or anything? No?
Not as of late. It's like misting all the way to the back of the It's like misting all the way to Hobart.
I'll get it for you.
Oh, okay.
I gotta run to my job, which is 2 blocks away. I don't know, what time is it?
350. Making a video?
Yeah. I've been uploading a good amount of videos on my YouTube channel, and yeah, it's been going good.
Yeah, me, Chase, and William hung out on Saturday.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fun. Oh, that was fun. Is that called?
Uh-huh.
You ever see Rick and Morty?
Oh, dude, I love that show,
That's
man.
one of my favorite shows.
I would love to get like a tattoo of Rick and Morty, dude. Like, no joke. I don't know, it's something about his grandpa, Rick's, like, Morty's grandpa, dude, Rick. It's like, he's just the shit. And
It's based off of Back to the Future.
oh, what?
Like
Damn.
a cartoon, it's like
A cartoon version of Back to the Future?
that's why they do like do time travel. You can like do different.
Yeah. Dude, I love that show.
First time I watched that first episode, it got me. Like I started watching like all.
It's a good show, like, shoot.
You gotta turn your shoes on, Morty. You gotta turn them on. You don't mind if I hang in here until should be here shortly.
There's multiple Mortys and multiple Ricks. We gotta just stay calm.
Oh,
Like,
look, it's a version of me where I'm a cowboy. Wow, you're real easy to impress. You really are.
like, yeah, it went down, guys. Like, you could already see that I'm kind of drenched in water, but
Like a 3-piece table, you're just gonna have to remove.
Yeah, there you go.
God. Hope everyone's having a great fucking Monday. Shoot, like, wherever you're at, hopefully it's sunny. It's a good rain. Like I was just saying, I was just talking about this. Hopefully it makes the business at work slow. If not, I'm still gonna be washing dishes hardcore. I'm off back in that storm. I'll catch you on the other side, man. Shoot.
I always see you down here.
Always, yeah.
I'll see you around.
Yeah,
Pick me up.
I will, man. It's another day.
You're watching pizza, like, you know.
For sure. Pizza is life. You can't have pizza without sriracha. Let's do this! I'm literally fucking running. I almost made it. I'm almost at work, guys. Shit, my phone is hella wet. My phone's not waterproof, you guys, so shit. Dude, I was skating to work and freaking literally I got on the skater all the way to the light rail station on Alameda, and I got on the light rail fucking right when we got out of the convention center. Whoosh! I'm like, are you serious?
You don't got a cigarette by chance?
I don't smoke cigarettes, bro. I'm sorry.
About the butt ass.
I wish I had some, man. I barely got like 4 dabs to last me through today at work. See, this guy knows what's up. Hell yeah, shoot. For real.
I gotta walk to probation.
Oh, that sucks, dude. That's the fucking building on Colfax. You have a good day, man. It must suck to walk in this weather, man. Seriously. Well, it's not died down, but I'm gonna go to work. I wonder if I can get in through Forever 21 through there. I don't know, you guys can see that I'm all wet. Hella wet. I can make it. My phone is getting hella wet. Oh my god. Do you see this, guys? There's literally a flood of the water on the fucking 16th Street Mall. Dude, that's fucking crazy. Oh my god. I literally fucking just skated in this shit. It was not like this at all. Like I said, guys, Colorado's weather is bipolar. Hella bipolar, like it was sunny. It was very, very sunny earlier.